Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Okay, so in last lecture we have seen two type of search. Clear. So as I told, in this unit we will learn two things: searching and sorting. Right. So we have completed searching because in that only two algorithms are there in our syllabus: linear search and binary search. Clear. And we have seen the difference of linear and binary search also. Now we'll start some sorting. Now what is the meaning of sorting? Sorting means just we have to arrange that elements into the ascending order, right? So it is known as a sorting. So if the elements are not in a sorting order, then this type of array is known as an unsorted array. But if you will arrange all the elements in ascending order, then it is known as a sorted array. Clear? And generally it is in ascending order. Clear? So whenever they are asking for the sorting algorithm, then you have to, by default you have to understand that it is a ascending order. Clear? So sorting is nothing but it is a just arranging the element of the array so that are placed in the some relevant order, which may be either ascending or descending. Clear? So sorting means it is not compulsory it is in ascending order. It can be in descending order also. But in all algorithms, if they are telling like find the or sort that array, then by default you have to understand the ascending order, right? So suppose let me take one example of that. Suppose this is one array A. In that 21, 34, 11, 9, 1, 0 and 22 are there. So if I will do the sorting of that, then initially which is the smallest value among this 0? So it will come first 0, after that 1, then 9, 11, 21, 22 and 34. So this is the, we can call it as a sorting of any element or any array. So for that we have to learn few of the methods for sorting. In that few of the methods we will see theory as well as program, but in some of the techniques like radix search and heap search, heap sorting and radix sorting, that we will see only theory. Practical part is not there in this. So first we will see the very simplest method of the sorting is bubble sort. Clear? So today we'll learn this method. We will see theory as well as practical also. It is very easy sorting method. So this method will take only 15 to 30 minutes maximum if you will see theory as well as practical also. So today we will do this only one algorithm, that is bubble sort. So maybe you will get pretty early. Clear? Yeah. So can we start? Please write your response here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will see the first sorting method, that is a bubble sort. Clear? Bubble sort in the I insist you that, okay, suppose if you are learning bubble sort, before that please visit one or two video of bubble sort in YouTube. Clear? Just you have to write bubble sort method. So explain bubble sort with example, right? And you will get so many animated videos, so that will clear your picture about the bubble sort. I will also give you the explanation and all things, but you will enjoy these videos. So please try it, and after that, start learning of this bubble sort, right? So this bubble sort is a very simple method that sort the array element by the repeatedly moving and largest element highest index position of the array. In case of array, let me show you one. So one animated thing. From that you will get the idea of bubble sort. What is the actual logic of bubble sort that you will get from it? This ultimately the aim of any algorithm is sorting. Clear? So they will provide the elements in an unsorted manner, and we have to arrange all the element in the ascending order. Clear? So that you have to do. See this thing. Uh,
Do you dream to get placed in Amazon, Microsoft, Adobe, Flipkart, and other?
Yeah, is my screen visible? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see the very there is no audio because audio is only music, so no need to keep it. See this thing here. Elements are given 5, 1, 4, 2, 8, 9. Clear. So you can understand this is in unsorted manner. It is not in ascending order. And what we have to do? We have to arrange all the elements in ascending order. Clear. So see this thing. Okay, first, this logic I will explain this logic into our program, but just for now, please ignore this code. Just see this thing. So first, whenever first iteration will come, it will compare 5 and 4, 1. It will compare and 5 and 1. Clear? If first element, so this is the 0 index and this is the first index. Clear? So this 5 will compare with 1. If the first number is less than the another number, then it will not do anything. But if the first number is greater than the second number, so see this thing here, 5 and 1 is that the 1 is less, so it will swap the variable. So 1 will come in the place of 5 and 5 will come in the place of 1. See this thing here, 5 is greater, so it will swap. Clear? So it will do the comparison. Clear? And if the second first number is greater than the second number, then it will swap. So 1 will come in the place of 5 and 5 will come in the place of 1. Now it will compare 5, 4. Now see this thing here, 5 is greater than 4, so it will do the swapping. So 4 will come in place of 5 and 5 will come in place of 4. Now they will do again the swapping, 5 and 2. So again 5 is larger number, so it will do the swapping, right? Again it will do the swapping. Now see this thing, in this case 5 is less than 8. Clear? So this number is at the end, so it is in ascending order. So it will in this case they will not do the swapping. See this thing. So they are not changing 5, 8. Why? Because the 5 is less than the 8. So whenever you get the first number is larger than the second number, then it will do the swapping. Here also 8 is greater than the 9. So it will not do the swapping. It will remain the chain. Again, it will do same thing. Now it will check 1 and 4. If first number is less than 4, second number, then it is fine. Otherwise, it will do the swapping. But in this case, they will not do the swapping. Why? Because it is already in the ascending order. Now it will compare 4 and 2. Now you can see 4 is greater than 2. So it will swap 2 and 4. So 2 will come in the place of 4 and 4 will come in the place of 2. So it will like that. Now 4, 5. 4, 5 is not that. So it will do the swap. It will not do the swapping. After that, likewise, they will do the swapping. Right? Are you getting this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we will read this PPT, then you can understand. So bubble sort is a very simple method that sorts an array of element by repeatedly moving. They are doing swapping. They are doing swapping with the largest element to the highest priority, highest index position of the array segment in case of arranging ascending order. Clear? In bubble sorting, consecutive adjacent pair. Adjacent, suppose here pair of the element in the array is compared with each other. Clear? So it will do the comparison of two element. And if the second number, if the first number is greater than the second number, then it will do the swapping if it is there. So if the element of the lower index means the first element is greater than the element of the higher index. Higher index, suppose I am comparing 1 and 2. So 1 is a lower index and 2 is a higher index. If I am comparing 2 and 3, so 2 is a lower index and 3 is a higher index. So if the first value is less than or greater than the second value, then it will do that. Then two elements are interchanged. Interchange means they are just doing a swapping. So that element is the place before the bigger one. Clear? So this process will continue until the list of the unsorted element is exhausted. Clear? So we will see the program. Clear? So theoretically it is clear, right? So what it will do, this bubble sort, it will do the comparison, and it will do the comparison of two consecutive element. Consecutive means in the serial. Clear? So first it will compare the first element with the second. If my first element, lower index element, is greater than the second element, which is higher index element, then it will do the swapping 1 and 2. So it will come 2 and 1. After that, it will do the comparison between the 2 and 3. If the first number is greater than the second number, then it will do the swapping. Same like that. If first number is less than the second number, then it will not do the swapping because they are already in the ascending order, right? So this is the mechanism of bubble sort, right? So now we'll see the program of the bubble sort. Are you getting this screen, blue screen of the bubble sort program? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we are writing the program of bubble sort. So what is the primary requirement? Okay, first we have to enter the unsorted array. Clear? So we have to enter the numbers in unordered manner. Clear? So first we have to decide how many element I want to sort. Clear? So first I will ask the user that how many how many number of element you want to enter. So first I will ask the user how many number of element you want to enter. So suppose user is entering 5. So we will enter 5 elements, but in unsorted manner. We are not going to enter our element in the ascending order. Okay? Just randomly we are writing. So first we will ask the user how many number of element you want to enter. So that number of element we will store into n. After that we are asking the user, okay, which element. So user will enter the numbers and user have to enter this numbers into unsorted manner. So clear. Suppose user is entering, I want to enter the 10 number, then this loop will go up to 10 and it will enter the number, and it will all the elements will be in now which array. Clear? Now what we have to do? We have to compare the array with the same array. Clear? So let me 1 minute. Let me explain this Word file so I can give you the better idea of it. Here, so suppose this is my array. Here in that these elements are there 2, 5, 7, 4, 3, and 9, right? Now what I will do, I will suppose I want to compare this 2 to 5. So I will compare 2 and 5. If first element is less than the second element, then I will not do the swapping. But if this number is greater than the second number, then I will do the swapping. So what I will compare? So I want to compare this 2 with the 5, 5 with the 7, 7 with the 4. So what I will take? I will compare same thing with this thing. Now I will compare like this. I will compare this 2 to this 5. I will compare this 5 to this 7 to this 4. Clear? So I have to take this thing, this array 2 times. Clear? So see this thing in this loop I am taking in this I am taking this for loop 2 times. Why? Because I want to compare the same thing with the same thing. Clear? I have to take this array 2 times so that I can compare one element with the second to third, and so for that first I am taking n minus 1. Why I am taking n minus 1? Because if I am having the n, then it will take the, because I am comparing for first element, so I can no need to include the first element. That's why I'm taking n minus 1. So it will not take the first element, right? Now what is the condition? If this element is greater than the next element, so this is my first element and this is my second element. If the first element is greater than second element, then what I have to do? Suppose this is on the 0 position, so this is the first position. Suppose this is the second position, so it will be the third position. If it is a third position, it will be the fourth. So it will compare the two consecutive element. Clear? So it will compare 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5. So that's why it is a j, and here it is j plus 1. So whatever the index will be there, 0. So 0 will compare with the 0 plus 1. So it will be compared with the 1. If j is equal to 1, then it will compare with the 1 plus 1, 2. Clear? If it is a 2, then it will compare with the 2 plus 1, 3. Right? So that it will compare this element. If the number is greater than, then we have to apply the logic of swapping. Now what we do? What I want to swap? Okay, this element will go to the G. So array J will go into the array J plus 1, and array J plus 1 will go into the array J. Clear? When the first element is greater than the second element, then what I have to do? We have to do the swapping. So what we want to swap? Okay, this array j plus 1 value will go into the array of j, and this array of j value will go into the array j plus 1. So just we want to do the swapping of that. So for that we have to take one third variable, that is one temporary variable for the swapping. So what I have to do? Array of j for temporary I will store the value of array j into the swap variable. So whatever the value of variable j, that I am storing into swap. Now what I will do, I want to save this array j plus 1 into array j. So I will assign array j equal to array j plus 1. So now the new value of array j is array j plus 1. So one side this swapping is done. Now what I will do, in array of j plus 1, which value I want? Array of j. And where is the array of array j value? Is the swap. So array j plus 1 is equal to swap. So value of array j, now it is available in array j plus 1, and array of j plus 1 is available in array j. So by this way we can do the swapping. Clear? And this process will go and go until the all elements are covered, and at the end you will get the sorted array, right? So let me run this program. One minute. Okay, so let me run this. Okay, so first we have to decide how many elements you want to enter. So suppose I am entering 5 elements. Clear? If I am entering 5 elements, so let us 3. Randomly I am writing. It is there is no logic behind this. 3, 6, 4, 7, and 2. Clear? And see this thing. You get the sorting. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Clear? So just one condition you have to remember. Okay, we are comparing one element with the second with the third. If it is a greater than, just we have to do the swapping. Clear? So this is a very basic program of sorting. Clear? And same program code is given here also. So you can take reference of that. And today I will upload this PPT. Maybe this PPT is not available in your ERP. So today I will upload this PPT also, unit number 5. Right? Now tell me if you need doubt in this. Do you have any doubt? Please tell me if you have. કાલની એક્ઝામમાં ક્યાં સુધી છે? Yeah, what is the tomorrow syllabus? That revision test is there, like a mid-sem is there. Mid-sem છે ના કાલે? Okay. Yeah, in the mid-sem exam, the syllabus is final practical. Let me check. So many timetables are there. I don't remember. Okay. For me, this is an internal practical exam. Yeah. See, internal practical exam, we will. Yeah, I understand. Tomorrow in our lecture, I will take the exam. I will call the group of 3 or 4 members. I will send your name or your number into the WhatsApp group, and that after that. So tomorrow, don't join my this link. Whenever I will tell your name, at that time you have to join this link. Clear? And after completion you can leave that. So સવારે morning first lecture. કાલે પહેલો lecture છે ને આપણો? Yeah, in our first lecture we will take that, and the syllabus we will keep up to file handling. Clear? So it is only pure viva, clear, based on the practical, and we will keep our syllabus up to the file handling. I will not include this sorting and all. Clear? Up to file handling. So from first to file handling. Unit number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Unit number 5 is not there. Yeah. Okay. So is there any doubt in bubble sort? Then please tell me. Okay, so we will keep up to this. Today we will not do furthermore. So let me take the attendance, and after that we will close the session. I'm taking attendance. Okay, Krupali,
Yes, sir.
Sai,
Yes, sir.
Komal, Komal, Darvi,
Present, sir.
Selvi,
Yes, sir.
Ruti,
Yes, sir.
Vishwa,
Present, sir.
Vishma, Paras, Paras, Raj,
Present, sir.
Rusika,
Present, sir.
Birju, Chirag,
Present, sir.
Raj.
Yes, sir. Chirag present for the.
Okay, Raj, Kurasra, Mahesh, Mahesh, Shrey,
Present, sir.
Anjali Bhai, Shraddha,
Present, sir.
Yasha, Yasha, Rubik,
Present, sir.
Keval, Keval, Avdeep, Avdeep, Bhargav,
Present, sir.
Abhay, Abhay, Bhavesh,
Present, sir.
T,
Present, sir.
Niket, Niket, Abhishek,
Present, sir.
Yasraj, Yasraj, Yanil, Nikunj, Nikunj, Prince,
Present.
Nancy,
Present, sir.
Happy,
Present, sir.
Hare Krishna,
Present, sir.
Anshik, Anshik, Shivani,
Present, sir.
Sunny, Sunny, Harsh, Rishit, Rishit, Deep,
Present, sir.
okay, Avin, Meet,
Present, sir.
Vaishali,
Present, sir.
Vidhi, Tarasaigas, Vidhi, Kevin,
Present, sir.
Ayush, Ayush, Riddhi,
Present, sir.
Ahmad, Ahmad, Nancy,
49 present, sir.
एक मिनट Chinese Fanny, Komal, roll number 3. Let me see the chat box. Six. Okay, done.